Hey everyone, it's Janay, and today I'm coming at you with a vlog. I'm getting ready for my birthday trip coming up in a couple of days, and I thought I would just film while I'm packing, do like a kind of chit chat, get ready with me, because this is a big birthday for me, guys. I am turning 25, okay, yes, 25, and I'm like super excited about this birthday. So I thought I would just talk about it while I'm packing and getting ready for my trip. So if you're interested, then definitely keep on watching. So I just have my clothes all piled up here on this chair and one pair of shoes for now. I'll get more later. But I literally just went through all of my clothes, picked out what I wanted to wear for the weekend. And yes, you already know I have way more outfits than I need, but that's cool because we always do that. It's cool, it's necessary. So I'm gonna organize that and then put everything in my suitcase. And this is actually the Kenneth Cole Reaction travel carry-on suitcase in the color rose gold. I'm super excited to travel with this suitcase because it's my first time using it. I just bought it and I thought it was super cute and nice to take on my trip with me. So if you're interested in that, I will leave a link to it in my description box below. All right, so first up, I'm gonna go with my tops, and I just have a couple sweaters here that I'm gonna throw in here because I'm not sure what I want to wear. You already know you need options, so I'm gonna have a couple of them. So I have two sweaters because I am going to New England. I'm gonna be in Boston, Beantown. It's cold up there right now, y'all. It's February, so it's gonna be cold. But I'm going up there because my grandma and I actually share a birthday, so we were born on the same day. And she's turning 75, and I'm turning 25, so it's a big year for both of us. So we're gonna surprise my grandma with a surprise birthday party, which is also a birthday party for me. You know, I'm not just gonna let them say it's for my grandma because it's my birthday too. But I'm just super excited to bring in this new year of life with my family and just the people closest to me. I haven't seen my brother in like 2 years. I think I saw my sister once last year, if I can remember. So it's just gonna be nice to see my siblings, be with my parents, be with my niece, be with all of my aunts, uncles, be with my grandmother. Like, just really setting the tone for this 25th year of life. Now that I'm looking at this, I don't even know if all of this is gonna fit in there, but I'm gonna try to make it work. Next, I'm just taking 3 pairs of pants. Like I said, I'm staying only 2. I get in on Saturday and I leave Monday morning, so I really don't even need 3 pairs of pants, but I'm just gonna take it just in case because, like I said, I don't know how I'm gonna be feeling and what I'm gonna wear. So I have 2 pairs of jeans, 1 pair of black jeans, 1 pair of distressed jeans, and now I'm gonna put in my actual birthday outfit. So I posted a video doing a Fashion Nova clothing haul for my birthday because I ordered a bunch of new outfits because I didn't know what I wanted to wear on my actual birthday. So I'll link that video up here so you can go check that out for yourself. But I'm taking 2 of the options because I still don't know what I want to wear for my actual birthday. But what we're doing, so we're gonna have this nice big dinner for my grandma. Then everyone's going to the casino, but then I'm probably not gonna go to the casino because I'm about to go turn up with my brother, my sister, my cousin, my man. Like, we're just about to get lit and it's just gonna be a great family function. And then last but not least, you already know you need an outfit to wear in the airport. Sis, we already know this. We need to take some cute airport pictures. So I have 2 outfits for that, one for when I'm going up and one for when I'm coming back. So the first one, I have this white Champion crew neck, and I actually got this from Gage, y'all. It was like, I don't know, $6 or something. I have that, and then I'm pairing it with these Fashion Nova sweatpants that my boyfriend got for me, and I actually haven't worn them yet, so I'm gonna wear them in the airport. Then my second outfit is this Puma sweatsuit, and it's this pretty pink color. My boyfriend also got this for me. So these are the pants, and this is the top. Very cute sweat set. So I'm gonna wear both of those in the airport, and then obviously with some type of sneakers. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear yet, but I like to at least have my clothes set out. I still need to put like all my toiletries in here, my makeup, get the rest of my shoes, whatever bags I'm using. But I'm gonna do all that later. But I at least wanted to get my clothes out there so I can have everything ready to go when I actually have to leave to go to the airport. Now I'm about to close this up. Oh wow, actually everything fits in here. There it is, everything is in here. Like I said, I gotta go back to put in a couple things, but I at least have my clothes set and ready to go. So now I'm all set. So now I just finished packing, y'all, and I just feel so good. I'm super excited about my birthday. I'm super excited to turn 25 and just be with my family. I've just started feeling like things are coming together, you know, as an adult, you know, your early 20s, you don't know what is going on. And I feel like I'm starting to get in a place where I'm starting to figure that out. Overall, I'm just super excited for this year in general. I'm so excited for all the things that I have planned and all the things that I'm going to be sharing here on YouTube with you guys. And I just feel good, and I just want to keep this type of energy up all 2020. It's feeling great, it's feeling good, and I'm hoping the same for you and for anybody watching this. You know, if you're struggling with motivation or if you've had some hard times in your life so far, just keep it pushing, because you will get to a point where you're like, I got this. It's gonna happen. Trust me, I am speaking from experience. All right, you guys, that wraps it up for this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below when your birthday is and how old you're turning this year. Since I'm gearing up for my birthday, I want to know about yours too. Don't forget to subscribe, because I don't want you to miss a thing, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.